Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I think we're going to have a look at this sunroof box, whatever we're going to call it. See if we can unbolt this and get this down from the roof, because then that will allow us to get access to the roof panel and to gently ease that up again, where the horse landed on it. Okay, so let's get cracking then and see what we can do. Okay, looks as though we're going to have to disconnect this sunroof motor as well, the harness plug, so we'll do that. Okay, next we need to remove these sunroof drain tubes. Yep, probably water dripping on me. It's probably a good idea if we blow them through with some compressed air as well to make sure they're clear. Okay guys, so that's the sunroof panel thingy thing. Okay guys, so that's the sunroof panel out. And we have been pushing up a little bit on the roof to try and get some shape back, and I think we're doing pretty well actually. I think it's going okay. So let's just have a bit of a close-up as what we've been doing. Okay, so with the panel out, this panel here, roof panel, was bent down, so using some feet, I'll just give it a bit of a nudge up, and that's got that back to its proper shape again. A lot of the roof pushed up easy enough. It was a bit saggy in the middle, give it a bing, and yep, went up, no problem at all. That bracket there, that distance looks pretty good to there. We do know there's still a dent here. There's a dip there in the roof, so we're going to have to push that up, or get slide hammer suction on the other side and pull it up. We did see here, if you can see, the roof where the horse landed on it. That panel there, look, that was bent down. In fact, it was worse than that. We've knocked it up a little. But yeah, that panel there has took a hit, and I'll pop onto the roof in a minute and show you. But where the roof panel hit that and bent it, it's actually dented the roof. There's a line, so we're gonna have to attend to that. But yeah, we're getting there. It's getting there. So let's have a quick look on top. Okay. Right, so just there, I can zoom in, just there, you can see a couple of dinks. We're going to have to try and pull them out, or tease them out from underneath. Any other marks we got? What else have we got? There's a little bit across the front there, not a lot. Oh, there's a just there's something where the corner of that sunroof is. Need to get a small dent out there. But here, yeah, this is the bit where the roof hit that cross member. If you can see that, let's just pull out a bit. Yeah, see the line goes across the roof? That's where the panel went down, where the horse landed on it and hit that cross member, and it's caused a dent. So I'm not sure that's a job for me. I think I'm going to have to get the son-in-law on that, see if we can get him to tease that dent out. And then across the back, yeah, just there, bit of a naughty one there. There's a dent there I need to tease out as well. Again, I'll get the son-in-law to have a look at that, see what I can do with it for me. But yeah, for those of you who was interested on interested in how we're going to get on with the roof. So there we go. And considering this was quite a mess when we started, I think we're doing quite well. Right, okay, that's it for today, guys, I think. Oh yeah, before I do go, I did, yeah, dropped a clanger earlier. When I was trying to get the car into the garage, the engine was revving quite a lot and it wasn't actually going anywhere. Thinking, oh God, what's gone wrong? It's almost as though there wasn't enough gearbox oil in it or something. And it wasn't until I got back in the house, about an hour later, I realised what I'd done. I left the handbrake on. Because my own car, my daily car, is a Jaguar XJ, and that handbrake is electric, and you don't use it. You just, if you've put the handbrake on, you just touch the accelerator and it will drive away. The handbrake will come off automatically. So I'm not quite used to this idea of pulling handbrakes up and taking them off any longer. So yeah, lesson learned there. Bit of a stupid mistake, but there we go. Right, okay guys, I'm off. If you like what we're doing, give us a big thumbs up, please. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you've got any questions or comments, please drop them in the box below. All right, guys, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.